Hi friends, today we are going to see the loop statement examples. Let's start. We are going to see how to find it applying a for loop. Example, we take a 40 to 60 numbers and we'll find in that even numbers. We are going to find that in between 40 to 60 numbers, even numbers. For that, we have to apply the if condition. If I is modulus of 2 equal to 0, then you will find the even numbers. You want to add numbers, you have to put there 1 instead of 0. You have to put 1. Let's see the result. Run as a Java application. See friends, from 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 40 to 60, we found that 40 is the even number. 42, 44, 43, 46, like that we are going to find the even numbers for applying the loop statement. If you want to find the while loop or do while loop, let's you can apply and we will test. For that we need to write int equal to 40. We are applying the for loop, do while loop, while and do while. While I is less than equal to 60. If I modulus of 2 equal to 0, it's the increment order, so doing the I plus plus. Let's run it. It is not showing. Let's see what went wrong. First time it is